Once upon a time, in a grand castle surrounded by a beautiful forest, lived a kind little princess named Lila. She loved exploring the gardens, singing to the birds, and making friends with all the animals. But her favorite friend of all was a tiny mischievous squirrel named Nutty. Nutty had bright, curious eyes and a fluffy tail that twitched with excitement whenever he saw Princess Lila. Every morning, he would scamper down from his tree and perch on her windowsill, waiting for her to share her breakfast treats, especially the golden acorns from the royal garden. One day, as they played near the castle gates, they heard a sad little squeak. A baby bird had fallen from its nest and couldn't fly back up. "Oh no!" gasped Princess Lila. "We have to help," Nutty chattered bravely. "I may be small, but I'm quick. I can climb the tree and bring the bird back to its nest." With Princess Lila carefully holding the baby bird, Nutty scurried up the tall oak tree, his tiny paws gripping the bark. Step by step, he climbed higher and higher until he reached the nest. Then, Princess Lila gently placed the bird in a small basket tied to a string, and Nutty pulled it up safely. The baby bird's mother chirped happily, fluttering her wings in thanks. The little princess and Nutty smiled at each other. They had worked together and saved the day. From then on, Princess Lila and Nutty became known as the best helpers in the kingdom. And every afternoon, they would share a golden acorn under their favorite tree, knowing that even the smallest friends can make the biggest difference.